In previous class, we have studied the basics of arrhythmia, classification of antiarrhythmic drugs along with their structures. In this class, we will study about the synthesis of antiarrhythmic drugs. Before studying the synthesis of these drugs, I will share a short trick. For this short trick, we must know the exact structure of a particular drug for which we want to learn and write the synthesis. For the writing of a synthesis of any drug, we must divide the structure in different parts very carefully. By these divided fragments, we can get idea of starting materials. Now start the synthesis of drug. First drug is procainamide. For the synthesis of procainamide, we will start with para-nitrobenzoyl chloride and it react with diethylamino ethylamine. Reaction will take place at this position and eliminates a HCl molecule and give rise to amide group. This compound is further reduced to procainamide by using tin HCl. Now look at procainamide structure. Two changes has been taken place in this structure. This is the basic part that come from para-nitrobenzoyl chloride. On this position, we have added this functional group, this ethylamino ethylamine, and this NH2 is come from this NO2 that get reduced and get converted into NH2. So if we divide this structure very carefully into two parts, that means one part that come from this part and another part that come from nitrobenzoyl chloride and third part that come from this NO2 by reduction, we can easily rewrite the synthesis by just knowing the structure of procainamide. This will give rise to a basic idea the what is starting material. Next drug synthesis is lidocaine. Lidocaine synthesis is started by using 2,6-dimethyl phenylamine. It reacts with chloroacetyl chloride in presence of sodium acetate. Reaction will take place between this chloro group and this NH2, give rise to minus HCl and amide group formation. This amide compound further reacted with diethylamine and reaction will take place through reflux, give rise to lidocaine. This drug synthesis occur by three addition. That is this part that come from diethylamine, this part that come from chloroacetyl chloride, and this part that is this one. So by just knowing the structure of this drug, we can rewrite the steps that has been involved and can write certain chemicals.